Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and like the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best French fries, or some people also call it chips. So these French fries are very crispy on the outside and very tender. So the ingredients, will need potatoes, and you need a knife and a peeling thing, I don't know how you call it, and a bowl full of cold water. So that's what you're going to need for the first step. So what we are going to do first, we are going to peel the potatoes. So you can always choose the amount of potatoes you are going to use according to the amount of people you are cooking for. Then after peeling them, you just add them into a bowl of water. You can also leave the skin. Some people like their potatoes with the skin. So you can just wash the potatoes first before you start cutting them. I'm now done peeling my potatoes, so you can see I peeled them. So now what we are going to do, we are going to cut our potatoes into strips. So we are going to cut our potato ends. So we're going to cut our potato ends like this off. So this means squaring the potato. So we cut off the ends, and then we cut the potato in the middle. Now we are going to cut potato strips, and we are going to make this like 1 centimeter thick. I am now done cutting all my potatoes, so I'm going to let them sit for 1 hour, but you can let them sit from 15 minutes to overnight. This is just to remove the starch. If you're in a hurry, you can just do it for 15 minutes, then you are good to go. But for this recipe, or what I'm going to do today, I'm going to let them rest for 1 hour. It has now been approximately 1 hour, so my potato has been sitting for 1 hour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain my potato. Now after draining my potatoes, I'm going to get them and just place them onto a towel or a cloth, and we just want to dry them very well. So just going to lay them out. You lay them out, and then we're just going to dry them nicely. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add vegetable oil into my pot. So I'm going to fill up vegetable oil into my pot, but do not fill your pot more than halfway, because the oil is just going to spill and it's just going to be a mess when we put our potatoes. We are going to heat our oil on medium heat. So after our oil is nice and hot, but not too hot, we are then going to add our potatoes. So now my oil is hot, or yes, it's hot. Now what I did, I put my chips into the basket that I'm going to fry with, and I'm going to do this in batches. You're not going to put all the whole potatoes into the basket once. So I'm going to blanch or cook this for 8 minutes, then you're going to remove it from the heat. It has now been 8 minutes. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove my chips from the pot. I'm just going to place it onto my plate and let it cool down. So once it's cool, I'll be back, and you can continue with the rest of the batch. The chips has now cooled down, You can see I can touch it with my fingers. It's nice and cool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back into the basket, and then we are going to cook this until it is brown and crispy, or golden crispy. Just going to put it back into my fryer. So we can see that our chips is nice and crispy. So we're just going to remove it from the pot. The chips is now ready. So you can see, oh, it looks delicious. So now I'm going to put it onto the paper towel so that we can remove the excess oil. It is so, okay, it's hot. It is so crispy. So if you can just do a little bit of ASMR, just listen carefully. I'm burning, but okay. You see, it is nice and crispy. So I'm just going to plate it and I'll be back. So there we have it, guys. I tried my best to make the plating. So there we have it. We just made our french fries, and you can just dip it maybe like in ketchup, tomato sauce, or any other dippings that you like. And also you can enjoy this with sticky wings, barbecue sticky wings. I'll be linking that into the card above, so you can go and check out that video on how to make barbecue chicken wings. You can also enjoy them with that one. And you can spice up your chips with salt and vinegar, or you can use any other spice you like. So like for today, I'm going to use chip sprinkle spice. So this is what I'm going to sprinkle then. And there we have it. So guys, I hope you try out this recipe, and please comment down below how was your experience, and don't forget to always cook, eat and enjoy your food. Bye. See you in the next video.